everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download videos on Facebook on your phone. Whether it's your own specific video or someone else's video that you wanted to download. However, keep in mind that it goes against Facebook's terms of service and may infringe on copyright and privacy rights. Facebook's terms of service prohibit downloading videos without permission. Sharing such content could lead to legal and ethical issues. Let's start. So first open up Facebook app here. Let's tap on video option on the bottom of Facebook app. I would like to tap on Reels option. For instance, if I wanted to download the nature Reels, I just choose one and tap on that video. And then all I have to do is tap those three dots at the bottom right of the video. And then let's tap on copy link right here. So we're going to copy the link for the specific video or Reels. Keep in mind it has to be a link for the video, not the post that contains the video. And now let's hop out here and go to a website. Open app any mobile browser. I will just open Google Chrome here. Tap on search bar and type FDown.net. Here you can see Facebook video downloader. All you have to do is paste in this URL here. And now hit download. It will pull up the specific video or Reels. You can see here is the video. Just scroll down and you can see a couple different options. You can download video at normal quality or H quality. And if you want, there are some more options here. You can have a couple different options here. So let's just download it at normal quality. Then now you can see download button at the bottom of your screen. Just tap on it. Keep in mind again you have already downloaded this onto my phone. I can find it in my downloads folder in Safari or wherever it may be. Now you can watch or share or whatever you want with the video, but keep in mind that specific video is copyrighted because it's from somebody else. Thus again, make sure that you're doing something that is legal. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Feel free to share your farts or ask any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.